Good afternoon, students.
Afternoon, sir.
How are we doing today?
Hanging in
Good. I'm
there.
happy. Nice. I'm happy. I'm happy. All right. Any housekeeping matters you want me to deal with first before I move into it? Any burning issues? Hi, Drika. Any burning issues? All right. No burning issue. That's fine. Afterwards. So, how many of you? And I want to speak honestly. Jesus is watching you. How many of you did any form of studying? Thank you, Rohana. How many of you did any form of studying?
Sir, to be honest, this week was really hectic for me. I did the assignment, but that's as far as it went.
Yeah, it has been a rough week myself, and I'm going to tell you something, and I don't want anybody to be upset with me. But a while ago, I came into class and I had to ask the question, which day is today? Because I didn't know it was pre-calculus that I was having. I thought it was calculus 1. That is how bad it is in terms of today's only Tuesday. I thought it was Wednesday. And how bad it is that I am rushing the week because of how it feels. But I'm up teaching from 5 o'clock this morning. I teach 5 o'clock every Tuesday and Wednesday to the block scheduling business calculus students. So you will need this course in order to move into business calculus next semester. So I'm preparing some students for business calculus as we speak, and I'm just hoping for the best for them. All right, I'm hoping for the best for you as well, that hopefully I can see you in business calculus come next semester. Same time, same place, and that you guys would carry over. So there are lots of things to discuss. There are lots of areas to move on. I just want to find out. Yes, I hear you, but okay, let me not even ask the question again, but just to encourage you of the importance of getting some work done up. It's going to be very important. If you don't, you're going to feel the pinch of it. You're going to feel the pinch of it, and I don't want anybody to feel the pinch of, something that I'm really hoping for the best for. All right, so we did some logarithms the last time around. And in the logarithms I gave you, we're just playing around with the laws and, trying to see how we can manipulate them. Now, similar to the laws of indices, where the things can come 3 and 4 laws in a row in order to solve one question. Best believe that for the logarithms, you can move from indices to logarithms back to logarithms to indices. It's where you move back and forth so that you can see the question a little bit more clearly. So, without any further ado, I gave you a few questions.
Her and the
Go ahead.
question is butter way.
Well,
Because
that's what I'm.
they were real bad.
And you know what I'm happy about? That's what happened to you. You know why? It tells me that you guys are doing some work. The mere
And in my sleep, me can't focus.
Monique, wicked is man. Monique, what is this?
Sir, Saturday morning, me jump up out of my sleep and go for the boat. Me I say, me have to figure out all this to go. Me can't sleep.
And Monique, as I said, that it's the same thing for me sometimes. Some math questions took me days in order to solve. And I was deliberate that I'm going to solve those questions. And they were just, and it makes you a better student. So that's supposed the point I'm making. Get some work done up. Trust me, you may be losing sleep now, but in the long run, you'll be able to survive. There's one housekeeping matter I need to talk about. Just one, very quickly. I met one of my past students today. And past student was expressing a situation to me. Said, "Boy, sir, I finally finished the bachelor's now, and me and you say me can't graduate." I said, "Why? And you finish the bachelor's?" Because there are some students who, when they come into the college, you either get mature entry, you may get prior learning assessment entry. We may provisionally accept you with 4 subjects and say that you must do the 5th subject at the end of the first year. Now, the first year come and the system didn't pick you up to flog you. You come second year and you pass the subject, you know. You gone a third year and you say, sure, you're a bachelor student, no, me not do no more CXC. And when you reach 4th year now and finish off your studies and say, yeah, and you go up for a thing them call ratification. Ratification now is looking at your entry level, um, your matriculation courses to see if you're fully matriculated, prior learning matriculated, or you're matriculated conditionally. This was a conditional acceptance. This was a conditional acceptance for a student. Now finish our bachelor's and can't never able to walk across the stage for graduation next month. She can't walk across the stage. Okay, sir, why are you telling this now? Okay, thanks for asking. For most, you are first year students. Yes, some of you are second year students. Because I can't go third year, I shouldn't have a third year student in this class doing pre-calculus because you can't and should not be moving to year 3 with a first year course outstanding. And pre-calculus is a first year course. Why it is that I block students from doing business statistics when they don't pass pre-calculus, it is for the very reason that I met a student here, the 2 students today, this morning. The very reason I met those students, because you go do the business calculus, and because it's a second year course, you focus on the business calculus, boom, you fail pre-calculus again. And then you say, but I just have pre-calculus and business calculus to move on. Why can't I go to year 3? You cannot carry a first year course to year 3. Just like we can't carry a second year course to year 4. All right? So it's those of you who came in conditionally and have your 4 CXC subjects, and then now the students has City and Guilds English, but the City and Guilds English that they need to have is range 4 and 5. That them could have do a thing. Good girl have only range 3. So nothing can go on. But guess what? So before she gets her bachelor's, no, she have to go do a CXC subject. Students, I do not want that to reach any of you. Just imagine you think say you get a bachelor's now, so you can go get more money on your pay, etc., etc. Boom. You have to go back down there to go do a CXC. Because you can't move on because of our accreditation. So we can't send a student through like that because we can lose our accreditation status. So those of you who have 4 subjects, try and make sure it's in a dark on yourself, go do the 5th CXC subject. Please don't fall into that category. Hmm? All right. So
Sorry, sir.
go ahead, please.
What is the purpose of the mature entry?
Um, I'd rather take that conversation offline with you, so you and I can link outside of that to talk about the mature entry.
I would
But
really like.
but if you came in as a mature student, it means that you'd have had to have some levels of experience and work ethics, and you'd have to carry in a portfolio and the whole work support and so on. Make sure, if any mature student in this class, make sure that you get your letter of confirmation as a mature entrant from the CCCJ. And that letter, let me tell you what you're going to do with the letter when you get it. You're going to take a picture of it. You're going to scan it and keep it in your email. Create a folder in your email, Excelsior Community College. And all the correspondence that you get, if you get a physical letter, fine. If you get an email letter, you save it so that when you reach the final lap of your stuff and they're saying, oh, but you came in as a mature student and so forth and so on, say, see the letter here? You tell me that, there's another set of students. So when I do the overrides, I will, when I see the students with 4 subjects, I normally send them an email to say, okay, you have 4 subjects, you need to fix it up, and then I copy the registrar so she can follow through. One of the things that I'm seeing with some students, and I met a student such like that at the start of the school year. Last week, as I met the student. Student is not doing the CXC math. No. Student is not doing the foundation concept 1 math. No. The student decided to do the CXC math because they want to have CXC maths when they finish them degree, support, and so on. And I said to the student, okay, you're in School of Business. You're not doing CXC math. You're doing CXC math rather. You're not doing FCM1. Come next semester, you won't be doing FCM2, and in the summer, you won't be doing FCM3. It's not a problem. But it simply means that you won't have any math courses doing in your first year. When you reach second year, when you do the CXC maths, say worst case scenario, you don't pass it. You don't pass the maths, it simply means that you're going to start year 2 without FCM1, FCM2, FCM3, pre-calculus. So when you reach second year, you can't do business calculus, you can't do business statistics. It's either if you decide to do a resit of the maths in January, no problem. The results are going to come out in April. Second semester would have started. So when the 2 years end, you still don't have no math courses in. All right? You decide now in the second year that you can do FCM1, you can, it's on FCM1 alone you can do. And say you do FCM1 and pass it, and move on to FCM2 in the second semester and pass it, okay. You could possibly do pre-calculus in the summer semester. It simply means that you won't complete the associate degree within the 2 years because you'll have business calculus and business statistics outstanding. So what I often say to students, if you fail math and you need a 5th subject, don't do the 5th subject as math. It's harder to pass. Do your FCM1 in the first semester, do your FCM2. You pass the FCM2, you can pick up pre-calculus and FCM3 in the summer semester. So that come next school year now, you are regularized, able to do business statistics and business calculus. If you're in doubt about the math courses and the math saga, any math lecture you have, talk to it. If the lecturer that you're talking to don't have the information, trust me, they will send me a message and say, Sir Shand, I have a student who XYZ. But please, don't go and say, oh, this person get through and you know get through. Puss and dog not the same look. All right. Any other question? Final question before we move? Okay. Now,
Sir, me.
go ahead, please, quick.
Was saying something about mid-semester. Could you just repeat that? I just step away from the phone.
No, man, I didn't speak about mid-semester at all, and I'm not going to speak about it now either. So I never spoke about mid-semester at all. All right. Let us look at the homework questions I gave you. I want to move on to the, you know what? Yeah, I want to move on to the, all right, let us see how best we can, no, maybe I don't move on today. Maybe I just stay here and just go and walla walla in some of these, because I need to move into some exponential equations. All right. Give me the first homework question, please.
Sir, it says, one second. It says number one would, wait, one second. Wait, number one is 2 minus 2 log 5.
Okay, 2 minus 2 log 5. What base am I in?
Sir, you asked how we work it?
What base am I in?
Base,
Mm-hmm.
10.
I'm in base 10.
base 10.
All right. I'm in base 10. Good. Oh, that I read up on my screen. We're in base 10. So all right, so watch me now. Log to the base 10 of a number supposed to be equals to 2. Log to the base 10 of a number supposed to equals to 2. Work out what that number is supposed to be, please. Converting from the logarithmic form to the index form. Hmm.
Sir, which 2 that you're working out? The single wall number 2?
No, I'm saying. What do you mean single one?
That 2 at the front, sir.
Which two at the front?
The question said 2 minus 2 log 5, right?
Just work for me and ask you for work. I want you to work with log to the base 10 of x equals 2 for me and tell me what x equals.
100?
How you get 100?
To change it to the indices from 10 to the 2 equal x. 10 times 10 are 100.
All right. So log to the base 10 of 10 is equals to 100. So this now is going to be log 100 minus 2 log 5. Look at that and tell me if you see, if you agree with it.
Sorry, I lost me.
Processor.
Check the
You're not seeing the whiteboard? Somebody saying that they're not seeing the whiteboard?
Sorry, I'm going to have to step out for 5 minutes here, sir.
All right, do that time come now.
But sir, that me did I ask you, sir?
All right. Somebody say they're lost.
Sir, that me did I ask you, cause you're saying that the whole number 2 at the front is equal to log to the base 10 of x equal 2.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that me did I ask you. I said no, and I saw.
No, man. What?
That,
No, I was saying. No, what I was saying to you is, I don't want to look at that just yet. I was giving you an exercise over there. Log to the base 10 of x is equals to 2. So yes. So what it is that I was doing is looking at this too. I'm in log to the base 10. I'm in log to the base 10. So I'm converting this whole number to log to the base 10. I'm converting to log to the base 10. All right. So I'm converting the whole number to log to the base 10. So what I'm saying to you is log to the base 10 of a number supposed to give me that whole number 2. And then no, what is that number? That number is 100. So I can now say to you that this is saying to me that it's supposed to be log to the base 10 of 100. Log to the base 10 of 100 is going to be equals to whole number 2. Then, sir, how I'm supposed to know that? That's why you're going to do a side work. That's why you're doing your side work, in order to get all of that information. So now they're in log to the base 10. What is my next step? Did I answer your question? Yes, no?
yes, sir.
Good job. All right. So what's my next step? What is my next step? Talk to me now. What is my next step?
Sir,
Sorry, I got you.
sir, what's it? Wait.
Sorry, I gotta work out the 2
Simplify
log.
2 log 5.
So it's gonna be log 5 to the base 2, which should have be log 20. Not base 2. Wait, no, sir. Wait, no,
No,
sir.
sir, log to the base
5.
5 to the second power.
Yeah, that.
No.
Yes, sir. Log to the base 10 for the fifth power. That will work for that section.
No.
Sir,
You.
5 to the base 2. No, sorry, no, sir. 5 raised to the second power, sir. Wait, sir, where you at?
What you do?
Sir, wait, you say log, so we have log 100 minus 2 log 5.
Sir, you
That
want
one
to
right?
divide now?
No, tell me what to do. What's my next step?
Sir, you have to try to work out the 2 log 5.
Sir, log
Correct.
100 divided by log 5 to the 2.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
That, sir?
Yeah. I'm waiting for the person to say, but somebody said 5 squares. Come sit, urban sit now so we can argue. Somebody said 5 to the second
Yes,
power and I
sir.
never
We did
respond.
get 5 squares.
Yes, but it's not 5 squares, it's log 5 square.
I'm sure I did hear that too.
No, man, you never hear that. Come here, listen out for it. Yeah, listen out for it. So I
Sorry,
just
I
hear
hear
5
it,
to
but
the second power. You said 5 to the second power. Whoever said it, I don't know who it was, but whoever said it said 5 to the second power. And I said I'm not going to respond to it because it's not correct. I want to hear the correct one. So it's supposed to be log. So it's technically log to the base 10 of 5 raised to the second power. Technically, when you're not seeing a base, you're going to assume base 10. Right? So technically, it's log to the base 10 of 5 squares. So you have to remember that you're doing a conversion. Malik, you're silent.
Sir, I'm there.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
look.
this is 5 squares is 25. And when I'm subtracting my logs, what do I do again?
Divide.
Divide. Very good. That's the basic thing that you're supposed to, always supposed to be rolling off your tongue. Yeah, I seen this thing come up. I was in Priscilla, I was in a meeting with the principal at the exec meeting today. And as I go on to Zoom, it cut off. And I swear it go on, when I can turn on Christmas light, I don't know. I'm just so happy that it kind of holding up for class now. But it was annoying today at 3 o'clock, not too long from now. So I don't know if it's raining somewhere and it throws out the Wi-Fi, but it was awful. It was very awful. All right, let's go. So when we subtract logs, we divide. So it's going to be log, something like teacher and students learning now. What opinion give me trouble though? Log 100 over 4, no, 25, Mr. Shandy. And that is going to give you.
Sure. Okay, never mind.
I was about to say, somebody sound like them get the answer. But they never mind
Yes,
coming quick and
sir.
stuff.
Make it, sir.
That's nice. Very nice.
Sir, I get the answer like how I do it in a reverse. I put the 5 squared before the 5, the log 10 squared. So me did get 25 over 100.
Mm-hmm. All right, very nice. Hold on 1 minute, please. Hold on 1, please. I need to do something on it. I keep the mic open. I need to. Hold on. Yeah, so let me see if there are honest students in the class. Outside of one person who said, boy, sir, no, well, did the one person who said that it was a rough week did say that they attempted the homework. Is there anybody in the class that never attempted the homework? Let me hear your honesty. Hmm?
Sir, I think majority of us did it, because we were discussing it in the group.
Fabulous. Fabulous. I like that. I like that. I honestly like that. Very nice. All right. So let us move to the other question, because today what we're going to be doing is just looking at different types of questions and how best we can get them out of the way. So I love that. I love that for you and I love that for me, because it says that my life is going to be a little easier. All right, so let's just move on to the second question. Please.
Why, sir? But I forgot to talk to you, otherwise I come never there because you forgot to explain that 100 there to me, you know.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And
No.
I'm having internet issues from digital said them have problems. So I don't know what is going on.
All right, don't worry about it, my dear. I too have they call it now, internet, well, not have. I had it earlier. I dropped out of a meeting, 2 meetings because of it. So I'm giving thanks that the internet is holding up now. Don't worry about it. You will get the stuff. You know what is happening? Somewhere is raining and it is causing the issue. You'll be fine. Let us just see how best we can catch what it is that we have here. All right. You were supposed to have a conversation in your WhatsApp group. As I hear you want to say something, you're supposed to have a conversation in your WhatsApp group and then get back to me in terms of available days. We can put in a little one session for review.
Sir.
Quickly,
I
yes,
sent a
ma'am.
message to you in the last class, and you seem to have ignored it. And it's because
Jesus, you're pretty
the
now.
days following that was sort of hectic. I couldn't track you down.
And you should have tracked because I know, so I forget my favorite. All right, so wait a second. WhatsApp message are in the chat.
I had sent, sir, what kind of WhatsApp message? I have a number for you?
Sorry, Brittany, come on from phone, no? You send me email or in the chat.
So I had sent
Sure.
it in the chat for
All
you
right, so
to
which
suggest days that because you already have classes on specific days. So suggest the days so I can do the poll for that. Most persons voted for us to have that extra class,
day?
right? Sir,
Which day?
days you don't have additional classes. The
Yeah,
mornings. I don't.
right. But remember, do you know the last conversation, Britt, that I remember having with you
There.
is that you said to me, "Sir, don't worry about it because I know your timetable." I said that is so true. Say no to
No,
to
sir,
be
not your regular classes, not your regular classes. Remember, on some of the days you have like morning classes, like
yeah, but you guys don't count in the
early
morning. So
morning.
right,
Right.
yeah.
So
But you guys can't do early. No, like this morning. This morning I had a class at 5 o'clock. So I am here with you at this hour the evening. And matter of fact, I teach on a Thursday too. I teach you Thursday. No,
sir, yes, sir.
right. So Tuesday and Thursday I have early morning 5 o'clock class. So
So
yeah,
which
but
other days you can accommodate us? Which other early morning you can accommodate us? Just it's
okay,
only
all right.
Tuesdays because I know you have a class on a Saturday as well.
I started as well. Yeah, but guess what? No, Brit. There were 2 students in the class. I could kind of wash out
So
the
they
early morning class.
couldn't. Okay.
Right. So no, the early morning classes, guys, those 2 early morning classes that I have, the 5 o'clock class is for the students who are doing business calculus. It's a block scheduling class. So it's really not a pre-calculus class. One of the things that I was going to do, because I know you guys have classes every day of the week,
Right.
I said that I would do an early morning class. Because for me, really and truly, it is Brit knows my timetable. I am every night. I'm going. Even on a Saturday, I'm going. Friday I go. Friday I go. 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock, and then no Saturday morning I go from 9 o'clock until dog afraid. It says 1 o'clock, but sometimes I go beyond one because those students are doing exams at the end of this month. So again, I'm gonna say, oh gosh. All right, let me think about it by the end of the class, and I make a recommendation
You
because I
see?
know the
Okay.
I know the evenings,
The
will be
evenings will
rough.
not work, sir. It will. That's why I said, tell me
Yeah,
which mornings you're available. Let me put it to the class because after classes in the evening, I have to, when I leave my 9 to 5, I have to clock into a 5 to 9.
yeah,
So it won't
yeah,
work for everybody.
yeah, man. I know. All right. Let me think about something while the session is going on. But yes, I would love to find a day, a time. You know what? But this is not. Is this a mixed group, or this is like 2C evening or 2A evening or 2B evening? Is it a mixed group?
Um,
All up in the same
Mixed.
class?
Yes, sir. I think it is
It's
mixed, you know.
mixed.
It's mixed. Okay. So that I can't even go on Cellcat and look at your general timetable to select a day that I know you guys are free. All right, let me think about it. But yes, I still want to do that for you. All right, do me a favor, quick and fast. Give me the second question, please. By the way, before you do me the second question, is there anybody in the class that is not? I mean, I don't know if it was you, but I hear somebody say, "Sir, you have to go through with this thing." Yeah, I can do that. Let me just do a quick review on something here. So the question asks us to evaluate 2 minus 2 log 5. 2 minus 2 log 5. Now, the only way I can use logarithm is unless my terms are all in logarithms. I can't say 1 banana minus an apple is equals to a pear. That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. So I have to make them, I can have 1 banana minus another banana to give me 0 bananas, or minus a half a banana to give me a half a banana, or whatever the situation is. But I have to be in like terms. So I recognize I'm asking the question, I asked the question earlier, what base am I in? What base am I in? And the question was base 10, sir. Sir, then why did you ask the question? Because if the question, for example, was this, oh lordy, lordy. Let's see. If the question was this, so well, it may not work out, but if the question was this, say 2, oopsie, let me do it this way. If the question was this, I put it in blue. If the question was 2 minus 2 log to the base 2 of 5. That's a different thing. My side work couldn't be log to the base 10 of a number equals 2. No, it will have to be log to the base 10 of 2 equals 2. So what I'm saying to you is knowing what base I'm in would be important to evaluate my constant. That would be very important for me to know what to use to evaluate my constant. So log to the base 2 of a number equals 2 is going to be 2 squares. No, Jody, didn't hear you at all. Is equals to x. So 4 is going to be equals to x. So it means that this 2, instead of 100, will be 4. Log, so in rewriting that question, I'll rewrite it as log to the base 2 of 4 minus 2 log to the base 2 of 5. Then log to the base 2 of 4 minus log to the base 2 of 5 squares. Then log to the base 2 of 4 minus log to the base 2 of 25. And then this is going to be log to the base 2 of 4 divided by 25. You follow me? Can somebody answer me, please, to let me know if you're
Really?
Yes, sir. Hold on.
right. So you see, so let me just say something. You notice my answer over here says not 4. Anybody recognize that when I say 100 divided by 25, my answer, I didn't get my answer and say answer equal 4? Anybody recognize that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It
sir.
was log 4. Log 4. I notice this answer here is not just log 4 over 25. It's log to the base 2 of 4 over 25. Then, sir, what happened to the one here? What happened to this one is that I didn't write the base. Because I really don't have to write the base. But if I want to, I could say log to the base 10 of 4. It's very important that we know what we're talking about. All right. Get off.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a question, right? A question to you. Initially, when you just start, you say you can't work it out because it's not. So, all right. So you have a group like terms, right? So you have one question stating 2 log and there's no base, so we can assume so it's base 10, right? But you have it at 2 minus 2 log base 10, 5, whatever. Down here, so is it that I evaluate the two what the up here, so, sir?
Okay,
Just
which
want to
two?
make sure.
Which two touch that?
Follow.
That two?
Yeah, that one there.
Right. So I'm saying to you, in order for me to evaluate the logarithm, there's no way I can evaluate the logarithm in this natural sense. Because
Right.
one is a constant and the other one is in logs.
Okay.
So I have to bring both of them to a common unit, and both of them are going to be in logs. So that's why I'm now writing all of this over here to convert it to logs. Let me go again. Log to the base. What base am I in? I have to check with what base I'm in over there. Because I can't get a question. I'm saying this cautiously. Because I'm going to do it. I'm going to say, but sir, you say you can't do it. But for now, I'm going to say it. I can't give you a question to work. And each term has a different base. And I'm given unknowns. I'm not going to know what to do. But yet, now that I said that, I'm going to generate a question with that very different unknowns that I'm going to ask you to work. So I'm saying to you, they have to be in the same base in order for me to be able to combine them.
So we're really true because we didn't follow, what true me off. I guess the fact that you change the question. But that is true me off.
Oh, well, actually, who was it? Somebody asked a question about not really following, and then I just drop in an extra question, but just change the base. So the two questions are unrelated, but it's just a methodology. All right? Okay, so it clearly means that I would have to spend a little bit more time on this. Just get close, please, to the screen.
No, sir, I understand that, the part where you evaluate it, I understand that completely.
Okay,
But what I
good
say is what
touch.
true me off. I just kind of change the question, but we follow.
Okay, nice job, Papa. All right. Numero dos. Number two. Number two. Tell me, what was the question, please? A half log 9?
Sir,
What was
half
it?
log 25.
Half log 9 plus 1.
Ah, that's a number 2?
Yeah. A half log 9 plus 1. A half log 9 plus 1. A half log 9 plus 1. What base am I in?
10, sir.
All right. So I mean log to the base 10. So now I'm going to say log to the base 10 of a number supposed to be equal to what?
1.
1. Convert that from the logarithmic form to the index form, please. Come no, man.
10 to the 1 equal x.
No, Jody, we're not hearing you. 10 to the first equal that. Students, if you don't speak the jargon with me, it is going to become even more difficult for you. So 10 to the first equals x, which implies that x is 10. All right, so now I can rewrite my question. Jody, exit the meeting and try to come back, please. I'm going to say a half log 9 plus log 10. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I can go.
Good. Now it is that I'm in the same log. I can work it and work it. What's my next step? Talk to me now.
Log 9 to the half plus log 10.
What's my next step?
Express the form like log 3 to
Recall. Log to the base a of b to the n is equal to n log to the base a of b. So this is the form I have it in now, which is this. I need to get it in that form. Log to the base a of b to the n.
Oh, sir.
So go ahead, please.
Continue.
No problem, Chris. So what is going to happen now is that I'm going to have log 9 raised to the half power plus log 10. Log 9 is going to be 3 squares raised to the half plus log 10. 2 times a half equals
1.
1. So we have log 3 to the first plus log 10. 3 to the first is the same thing as 3 don't. So I have log 3 plus log 10. When I'm adding logs, what do I do?
Multiply.
Good job. So let me, very nice. So log to the base a of bc is equals to log to the base a of b plus log to the base a of c. Always remember that. So it's going to become log 30. No.
Sir, I forgot buy a
Oh,
beer.
me kind of
You go
confused
there.
because
What? Why confused? Talk to me.
I said log to the 9 raised to the half plus log 10. And you said no. I mean, so what if you put this up, but no, me I say that this up.
Because remember, now, what I'm doing, I'm teaching it step by step. So I want you to know what to look for first. So the first thing you need to do, get a whole number in there. You have to convert that whole number into a logarithm. And this is how the conversion from logarithmic form to index form becomes very important. So you have to move between log to index and index to log. So when we write everything now in log, we write everything now in log. What we're going to do is to then now use a law that says n log to the base a of b is going to be equal to log to the base a of b to the n. So now it is that we're going to write 9 to the half. But 9 to the half, you can use the indices. If you have a calculators, I guess the calculators will tell you that 9 to the half is also 3. And then, you have log 3 plus log 10. Remember, you're in base 10. So you have to be careful of the base that you're in, or else you can be in some serious waters. Other questions?
Sir, just go to number 3 because the question they have the whole way at a deficit.
What I'm encouraged about is the fact that you guys said that when I throw it out in a WhatsApp and have it. Oh, maybe that's why the person did that jump the one and I try to go to number 3.
Sir, me.
Yeah, okay. All right. So yeah, this side say no, sir. The one that all right, sir. Number 3. All right. Number 3 is a half log 25.
Yes, sir.
But
My
funnily,
two,
I know the easiest.
log 3.
Plus 2 log 6. All right. So recall n log to the base a of b is going to be equivalent to log to the base a of b to the n. Very important. So I have that in this form. This form is this. These two forms are the same. Now I need to get it in this form. And it's not just this and this. We need all of them into that form. So watch me. Log 25 raised to the half power minus log 3 squares plus log 6 to the second power. Anybody, somebody?
Sir, you go on good so far, man. Continue.
Good job, good job. Log 5 squares to the half. Just writing back log 3 squares and log 6 squares. When I multiply 2 by a half, I'm going to get 1. So this works out to be log 5 minus log 9 plus log 36. When I subtract logs, what do I do?
Divide.
So this is going to become log 5 over 9, don't?
Mm-hmm.
Plus log 36, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
And when I add logs, what do I do?
Multiply.
So this is log 5 over 9 multiplied by 36, don't?
Yeah. Equal 20. Yes, sir. Sir, big up yourself.
Big up, Miss.
And some do it, sir. So I group them. I group the positive. And
Sir, we
then
do it like boom das. Proceed.
And that's fine if you can do it like that. But Simi, you're saying, finish your thoughts, Sim.
Yeah, I was saying that I group the positive and then divide. So I multiply 5 times 36, I got 180, and then I divide it by the 9. Still get 20.
Yeah, same difference. Same difference. Yeah. Same difference.
But we get different answers, sir.
That means you something wrong. Which answer you get?
5 over 324. Log 5 over 324.
Girl, what did you do? Tell me the step, mommy.
Sir, same thing where you have up until you do log 5 over 9. I put log 5, no, log 5 square bracket raised to the power of minus log 9 times 36.
Aha. So let me tell you why that's not right. You hear what she says? She says she did the addition part first. And said 9 times 36.
Not bomb that's it for the first.
Okay, but remember, my dear friend, this is not log 9. What is it? This is not log 9. What is it? What is this?
Log 9 plus log 36.
Check to see if it's minus log 9.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
When the signs are different. I saw, yeah. That's it.
Yeah, man. Right, but remember, you worked it as log 9, but it really isn't log 9. It is negative log 9, yeah. So a question like that will trick a lot of students. So if you had done, as it say, log 5 plus log 36. Right?
Sir.
And then, yeah.
So if we did use no.
Sir, what you say? You say when the signs are different, you subtract and use the sign at the bigger number. That you do?
All right, sorry. Look at what I have on the screen here. Log 5 plus log, it's gone, but never mind. So I'm saying to you, the point I'm making is, yes, we use BOMDAS, and we always teach about BOMDAS, but the mistake that you made, was to consider this as, oh Lord, as just log 9 minus log 36. But what I'm trying to say to you is that it's not log 9, it's a negative log 9.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, man. But I love the effort. Tell my nephew to take out his math book, please, and no talking in class. Take out his math book. We're in pre-calculus class.
I'm watching you, sir, but
No, I know you may talk. I tell my nephew to take out the math book. So tell him to take out the math book and come sit down with teacher. All right, very nice, very nice. And that is encouraging students. I love it. It what it says to my students about my students is that, you
Not that.
know,
Yeah.
you're trying to make good of yourself. And I love that about you guys. Really, really love that. All right. Are there any other issues so far? I know as we work the questions, we are unraveling. We are unraveling some of these questions. You know what? Used to be somewhere, Anne-Marie, that was you a while ago?
Anne-Marie, sir. What you
No,
said?
no. I would have talked to me a while ago.
Anne-Marie, sir.
Oh, yeah, Anne-Marie.
Oh,
So Annie,
yes, sir.
so this move that he made here was illegal, and why it was illegal? Because of this negative sign, eh?
Okay, sir.
So,
Yes.
look at what I'm going to show you now. I'm going to put something on the board, and I'm going to see if nobody cannot cross this. I promise you.
Question.
Yeah, go ahead. Ask a question.
Oh, you come to log 20 with this one.
How come to log 20? All right.
Yes.
This is 36 over 1. So what I say is 5 times 36 divided by 9, and 5 6 is 30, 5 3 is 15.
I can't so long out of school.
Hours.
Couldn't.
Say it again.
The pen not working, sir. We cannot see that what you're writing.
You can't see. Nobody can see what I'm
It look
writing.
jumble. No, sir. We can't make it out of that.
No, it's probably see if I can zoom because I'm probably because I'm using a laptop where mine looks clear.
Oh, okay. Use a phone. Okay.
Me want like you want to flap me show with my handwriting, Me are watching it from every night me come in class, me are watching it, All right? Is the other one Brittany Smith? Supposed to be my friend, and she said, "Oh no, sir, we couldn't make out that a while ago."
Sir, I don't know.
No, you did do that a couple weeks ago. You're supposed to be on my side. Then you're not talking to me in class tonight. I'm upset with you. Why you not talking to me then?
So me
You never
there,
do homework,
me,
don't
there- me, trust me, sir. When me see them they talking at the group, me I said, Jaja, I want me get them here something from. So quiet in there. Cause me there do, sir. Me there.
Nice. It's very encouraging, students. Really, really encouraging. Wow. Sorry. Linford. Other man them so quiet. Malik. Me no like how the man like it box you out, box out the teeth,
Sir, it butter me. Me not have nothing to say. Me no understand them, yeah. Sir, let me tell you what go on with me now. So me use the bomb dust rule because me I say, we call it name the, and we have to use the rule. So me get the same answer as Anne Marie. So sir, me no know. Me stressed about.
All right, watch this now. More all of you watch this. And tell me if you don't agree with teacher. Work for the answer for that for me, please, and tell me, all of you.
Sir, 5.
-5.
Sir, 3.
Sir, 1.
1, sir.
Sir, 6.
Stone.
So it's the case where
Sure,
I can
9.
rearrange it and put back the like to put 4 plus 2 and then minus 3. So you work out 4 plus 2 and then minus 3.
And when you do that, tell me for that. When you do that, Brit, tell me for the answer.
It's 3. Because 4 plus 2 is 6 and then 6 minus 3. it would be a positive. So I don't know. Sir, we're out of school long time, you know.
Sir, 3
So would it be 5?
Okay.
Sir.
All right.
We're going to do 2 minus 3, -1, and then 4, -1 plus 4 is 3.
But sir,
Okay.
why is 2 minus 3 and not 2? Why is not sir?
Sir, but
Mhm.
Bomda
Sir,
said
think
The
if
negative
Sir,
sign
it's
or the
5,
minus
sir.
sign.
It's not
but
negative, it's 5.
Isn't it 1? Can you do bomb that? So you do addition first, then subtraction.
Okay.
sir, you'd call it
That's how
negative
I
3.
did it. So you put the
Sir, it's
3, the 2,
3.
2 minus and the 3 plus 4 there in our bracket. So you work out the 3 plus 4 first, or so.
Yeah,
Then
negative
you
No,
have
5.
negative 3.
no. The 3 plus 4 is the same. It's the same scenario I created with Annie.
Fine.
It's the same scenario I created with Annie, you know, Rockstone, so on charge.
Yeah.
Watch me.
Oh.
Versus dead. 3 plus 4 is 7, you know.
Yeah.
This is not 3.
It's negative 3.
It is -3.
Positive 3 for your answer?
Negative 3 plus 4.
1 is the answer, sir.
No, the answer is not 1.
Sir,
3
it's
and
Negative,
1.
negative
Why you
5.
do it the 2?
2
3.
minus 3 is equals to -1, and -1 plus 4 is going to be equals to +3.
Ba, ba, ba.
Sir, so how me say that and you not say no?
Because me never tell you say wrong neither.
I do it like her. Me not do it like you do.
Yeah,
Me
man. Sir,
say,
sir, leave you wondering.
sir, me
Mhm.
like you do. You just say when the signs are different, you subtract and write the sign of the bigger number. So it will be
Mhm.
2 plus 1 equal 3.
Mhm.
Mm.
Mm-mm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 2 plus 1 equals 3. Yeah. This piece on here. Yeah. This piece doing, yeah, man.
Sir, that way I'm doing.
I heard Britley said though. I heard Britley said, and I would hope is I'm not misrepresenting, but what I heard somebody sounding accurate saying. She said 2 plus 4 is equals to 6, and then 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. All right. So, you see the example I just gave a while ago down here, so this one is exactly the same thing as this here. The middle number here is a negative. You have to treat it with some respect. Put some respect on the name. So it's either you want to do this and this, and say log 5 plus log 36 when you add logs and multiply, so it will become log 5 times 36 is log 180, and then you minus now the log 9 from that to give you the log 180 over 9 to give you log 20. You have to be careful with your computational skills. These, you have to be careful. All right. The next question. Oh, I did say I was going to give you another question, but I wanted to explain something here. You were to see when you're so quiet, I know exactly what is happening to you. Brother, nothing not answer me.
No, sir, I'm back and forth, you know, sir.
Okay, so you understand some of them and you don't understand the rest of them? That may mean by back and forth?
No, when I say I'm back and forth, I literally have to walk away. Come I do some business outside.
Okay.
But this one that you were doing, we do it to a point and then it freeze.
Mm.
Yeah. And
Ah.
we work it out to probably well, we work it out to the second step and freeze. But my ratings, I'm going to do the first step.
Never mind. Try this one for me now. All of you try this one. I give you 2 minutes to try this one. Don't shout out the answer yet, but let's try that one, please. Kind of strange, money that you still can't select, but I'll talk to you. How is we finish it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, that's one person. Is that Taj?
Finish, sir.
No, sir, it's Rashid.
Okay, Rush.
So, sir, when we talk to you, and what talk to you?
I don't look at the participants listing. What I'm training myself to do is to differentiate the voices. So when when Nuart is speaking, I know it's Nuart. When Malik is speaking, I know it says Malik. Of course, when Brittley speak, I know say Brittley, because Brittley just rough up our teacher and say, look how long me I look for you. Yeah, you're no.
Sir, and a Brittany this.
Remember the class. Remember the class.
No, sir, you haven't know the whole of we.
No. Let the people know that.
You know me? Sir.
Yes, please.
You know me?
No?
Who is this, sir? Yeah, sir, you know me?
Anne-Marie.
Sir,
but
you're looking at
the
the
first one is not Anne-Marie.
They chat the participants list.
No, you see, when I ask who it is, it means that I'm not looking at it. But no, when I hear you ask who is this, me say, you think me gonna feel? Me make sure I look. Yeah, and this is why I want you guys to talk. Good night, please.
I just came in, sir, so sorry for the lateness.
Okay, no problem. So that's why I want you guys to talk to me so I can know. I know by soon and very soon I will know who is talking without looking. All right. Let us go. And it's unfair, you know what? Let me tell you what is unfair. I was on campus today, and the two students I was telling at the top of the class, they're my online students. So they know who I am, but I don't necessarily know who they are. So I was at the front of the building talking to somebody, and I saw the two ladies walking, and they never know all of them I talk. I'm Mr. Shan, that's see? I'm Mr. Shan, see them, Mr. Shan. So I started smiling, so I never paid them no mind. So when they walk past them, say, hi, Mr. Shan. I say, hi, dearest. And don't ask me who me I talk to. Because they know who I am. Sometimes they don't know who I am, but they hear the voice. They say, Mr. Shan, that don't. So one of these days in class, evenings, I say this to say to you, we're going to come to class, and all of our cameras must be on. All right? So we know who we're talking to. All right? So put on your best face, and then we talk with each other so we know who it is. Come, what answer again for this one? Because nobody can cross this, you know.
Sir, at first me did think 3, and then me said, no, girl, you idiot, 2. 3 squared, sir. Say, have to be 2.
Then he said, who wake you up? Who wake you up?
Eat some food.
Oh, goodness, I tell you, I love it. Dinner tea. Dinner tapa, you know, I talk to teacher. You do the work, do you know? What's you didn't answer me. Fabian, where you stay? Henry, where you stay?
Sir, I get log 27.
You get log 27?
Yes, sir.
Log 27.
Sir, work that out, please.
Sir, no, divide.
I'll get log 2.
You got log 2?
Yeah.
Sir, hey, sir.
Yes, please.
So when we are divide logs, we no minus.
Me think so.
Oh.
So what's the answer though? Tell me the answer. What answer you get? What's the final answer? Somebody tell me the answer. Then what did you say the answer was?
2.
Okay.
No, sir. Oh my God.
All right. Watch me. Log 3 squares over log 3. Same thing as 2 log 3 over log 3. Those cancel. The answer is 2.
Sir, you want see me to recall 9 equal 3 square and
Straight up.
there.
Straight up. Straight up.
If I not
Straight
get
up.
nothing else right, I get the 1 year right.
Very good.
Finally.
Very good. All right. You know what now? You see, because on so nice tonight, like when you eat enough lunch. Oh, come on, get away from here. Number 5. I'm so like when you eat enough lunch. Then I'm no trouble this Jesus. All right. 2 log to the base 5 of 5 plus log to the base 3 of 27 minus 2 log to the base 2 of 8. CHUBBLE. But sir, earlier on it said, and I recall, that it can't do the question with 3 different bases. Anybody else remember that other part that I said?
Yes, sir, because I just look back on that.
I did say with an unknown. With an unknown. But this year is solvable. And I want you to try it. I'm going to give you 5. And I'm going to give you 5 minutes because I want to. I'm going to give you 5 because I need to get some charge in this thing. Yeah. Go. I won't leave the class. Go and let me know. Let me just write another question. Anybody has any past papers? Can
Yes, sir, I have a past paper.
all right, hold it close by.
Okay.
Oh no, something just came up on my screen. Is it true? The young man in Mandeville from Manchester High School, they found him dead? Sorry, I shouldn't use that word online. Unalive?
Is the man or is a young girl?
No man, there's a little
A
boy that's
little boy.
yeah.
Oh, because
No,
I know
sir.
they found a girl too that is unalive also. They
Oh
found the body.
They found a Christian high school student. Her father raped her and burned her.
Jesus. Oh my
Yeah.
God.
And then another student hung himself in Trelawney again. It's a lot.
Mm. Oh goodness. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. This is not how God ordained it. I'm sorry. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I just got the notification. I so I forgot to read the stuff. All right, I'm gonna charge here. Although I'm not leaving, I'm right here, but I'll just get myself ready for this. Why, Jesus, forgive us. We are an unruly set of people. Mm. Is that a finish? Is that a finish unmute? Anybody finish number 5? No, yes, maybe so.
No, sir, not as it.
All right. No, man, this not safe. Malik, what go on? You can't tell me say the three little question them have on a week them here. Anybody finish any of them at all?
Wait, may I wait for everybody to do it in a time? It's long time.
Oh goodness, talk truth. Has anyone completed the question at all?
Sir, me skip 5 and go to 6 and 7.
All right. Aaron, oh, you stay. Aaron, you know, say me not call you in a class, you don't talk to teacher? That's not nice. Really not nice. All right, number 5. 2 log to the base 5 of 5. I'm going to write it as log to the base 5 of 5 squares plus log to the base 3 of 27 minus, we can write this as log to the base 2 of 8 squares. And then what I'm going to say is log to the base 5 of 25 plus log to the base 3 of 27 minus log to the base 2 of 8864. Then I'm going to have 3 calculation. Calculation 1, I'm going to let log to the base 5 of 25 it equals to an unknown.
Sir, I
I'm
think you're
convert.
going a little bit too fast.
Okay, sorry. So tell me then. You understand? Do you understand this setup, this line that I wrote?
Yes, I do understand. Log to the base of 5 to 25 and the rest of it written out.
Okay, good. All right. So I'm going to have 3 different calculations now because there are 3 different questions. Sorry, 3 different logs. The logs are 2 different bases. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Good. So I'm going to be evaluating those. So the first thing I'm saying log to the base 5 of 25 is the first one. So I'm going to say let log to the base 5 of 25 equals x. Log to the base 5 of 25 is going to be equals to an unknown. I'm going to convert now that from the logarithmic form to the index form. Help me out, Priscilla. How do I convert that from the logarithmic form to the index form? What do I say?
Sir, to be honest, I don't remember.
No, man, Priscilla, you have to remember. Come, guys, help Priscilla, please. What do I write? What do I say?
Is it
5x equal
it 5?
log 5.
In Jesus' name, do not tell me 5x.
Log 5. Log 5.
Convert that, come that, and you convert
Log 5 squared.
5 to the power of x is equals to 25.
25.
Please stop saying 5x. 5x is not what we're looking for. 5x is 2 different things. If we're saying it's 5x, we can say 5x is equal to 25 and divide both sides by 5. X is going to be equal to 5. That's a different answer from the answer we're going to get. And the answer we're going to get is not 5. You have to, and that's why Priscilla wanting to speak the jargon. And the rest of you, all right, let me make a broad statement. There are some of you in the class not studying. Wanna nah study, leaving it there. So now, can I convert the right-hand side to something looking like the left-hand side?
Yes, sir.
As what?
5 raised to the power of x equals 5 raised to the power of 2.
Good job. 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 raised to the power of 2. What do I see here now?
You're going to say x equal to 2 now.
So it implies then that x is equal to 2.
Right, because the bases are the same.
Okay, all right. So one down. So the next one now, cal 2. Cal 2, we're saying we're going to let log to the base 3 of 27 to equal to an unknown. Convert that from me, please, from the logarithmic form to the index form. Those of you who don't know how to do it, watch it again. How do I convert from the logarithmic form to the index form?
So 3 to the power of x equal to 27.
Can I write 27 looking at the left-hand side?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
3 to the power of 3.
So since the bases are the same, it implies that x is going to be equal to 3. All right. Cal 3. I'm going to say let log to the base 2 of 64 equals x. Convert for me, please, from the logarithmic form to the index form.
2 to the power of x equals 64.
Can I write the left-hand side as the right-hand side?
Yeah.
As what?
2 to the x equals 8 to the second power.
Is that 2 to the 6?
Yeah, so I'm not writing 8?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I want the left-hand side to look like the right-hand side. So instead of writing 8 squares to give me 64, I'm going to write 2 to the 6. Watch me. Oh, no, that's not what I want. Watch me. 8 squares is equal to 64. But this 8, I'm going to write it as 2 to the third. Raised to the second power. And the law says you can multiply them 2 times. So it's going to be 2 times 2 raised to the 2 threes, 6. So we're raising that as 2 to the 6. Are you following? You see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Good job. So it implies that x is equal to 6. So watch me now. It's going to be 2 plus 3 minus 6. That makes sense?
Yeah, what you right
Yes,
there?
sir.
What?
Yes, sir.
The
After you
base.
finish the workout, then you put them back together.
Right. I'm resubstituting now. So log to the base 5 of 25 is equal to 2. Log to the base 3 of 27 is 3. And log to the base 2 of 64 is 6. So we have 2 plus 3. That's going to be 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 6 is equals to -1.
Sure, we would I think we have yeah,
Well, now you know. For sure. Now you know for sure. Number 6. How do we do 6? How do we do 6? Talk to me now. We're soon finishing now, so just talk to me now, man. How do we do 6?
Sir, log 13 times log 2. Log 13 times 2.
Mm-hmm.
Minus 25. No, minus log 25.
Good job. What
Uh,
next?
then you will have log log 26 over
Log 25.
over log 25.
Is it log 25?
25.
Or is it log 26 over 25?
Log 26 over 25.
Okay. I would agree with that. Very good. Number 7 says. Number 7 says.
Sir, so it done right there, sir?
Done. Two log to the base a of 5 plus log to the base a of 4 minus 2 log to the base a of 10. Are they in the same base?
Yes, sir.
Good. You notice that I asked a question, so you have to, like this one. The first thing I pointed out to you in this question is that the question is in all different bases. All bases are different in all cases. And that's why I did one calculation, I did a calculation, and then I did a third calculation. Because they are different. They are different in all instances. But this one here now, what it is that I'm doing, I'm checking which one, this one. I'm checking to see if they're in the same base. And they are in the same base. So once they're in the same base, we have a different level of calculation. Watch me. Watch me. It's going to be log to the base A, log to the base A of 5 squares plus log to the base A of 4 minus log come on. Minus log to the base A of 10 squares. Log to the base A of 25 plus log to the base A of 4 minus log to the base A of 100. All right, so this 100 now is not in the middle like it was in the first question. When I'm adding logs, what do I do?
Multiply.
So this becomes log to the base A of what?
100.
Very good. 25 times 4. And this is minus log to the base A of 100. So again, have log to the base A of 100 divided by 100, don't?
There's 1.
Log to the base A of 1. Uh-oh. Log to the base A of 1?
That makes it your one, right?
I want you to convert. Look at this. I'm going to let log to the base A of 1 equals a number, unknown. We want to find out what that unknown is. Convert that from the logarithmic form to the index form, please. What do I get?
A to the x equal 1.
What can I say about the value of x then?
A 0.
Excellent. Excellent.
So,
So
sir,
log to the
do we
base.
have to do that part, or we can just leave it that log into?
To be honest with you, if you got a 5 marker and you got up to log to the base A of 1, you will get only 4 out of 5. Because they expect you to know that log to the base A of 1 is 0. Log to the base 5 of 1 is 0. Right? And if you're in doubt, you can check. It's what teacher did a while ago. Was to check it. And we got her answer. I ate that for today, you know. I have mixed feelings for the class as I wrap. I have mixed feelings for the class. There are some students who are on top of things. A number of you actually on top of things from the interaction we had. There are some of you have not even made a mistake and breathe into the microphone so I can hear that you're alive. When we come onto the class, you're silent. Big up on yourself. Study hard. I don't have anything more to say.
Sir, don't
Yes, sir. Sir, you can stay until everybody leave. I want to speak to you.
All right. Who's this? Priscilla?
Priscilla, yes.
And
All right.
remember
Sir, I
Monique
need to speak
Maxwell,
to you as
sir.
well.
I'm Monique Maxwell. All right. Do me a
I
favor,
can put
Priscilla.
me in a breakout room and something there.
All right. No problem. Okay. Let me see.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Remember, you say I want to know when I can speak to you about the mature entry thing that I was speaking to you, because I did it and I submitted it in. And they were the ones that recommended it, yeah. And I did it from before I started this.
Oh.
They were the ones that recommended it based on the subjects that I have.
Mm-hmm.
Because I have maths, I have English, and I have accounts and principle of business. So that's based on that, I do most of the mature entry.
Okay, so
Did it and I submitted it from before I started any class at all from January.
All right. So what I'll do, you worked because I mean I looked at your stuff, so I know you're looking at it because when I was doing the overrides,
Right.
I came up with your stuff. Did you ever get the override?
From you, yes, I did.
Right, because I saw something on your file, and I had to bring it to their attention. And I know they had taken up your file to get letters prepared, but they are waiting on something from CCCJ. So I'm gonna send the registrar a message now just to find out if there's an update on your stuff. And then I know when she respond to me, when I come back to class on Thursday, God's willing, I should be able to give you something. So you are okay, because I know they're working on your stuff because I actually saw it.
Okay then.
Big up yourself.
Good to know.
Yeah, man, no problem. All right.
What about my own, sir?
Who that know?
Maxwell.
You're saying that you can't select the course?
Yeah, it's still showing that it is waiting for the prerequisite. Just up?
Oh, for the prerequisite override. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Your one will be out. Yours would also be easy because the outstanding grades that I was waiting on
Oh, okay.
are in now. So let me just take your ID number and then look at it. Yours should be very easy to look at.
You want me to put it in the chat now?
Put it privately to me, please, in the
Okay.
MONIQUEMAXWELL.
In the meantime, you are supposed to think about when you
Yes, right.
for your
Right.
schedule.
Right.
Sent
What I'm
it.
going okay, oh sorry, I was in it. Oh yes, I remember this. Monique. I remember this. I remember this. All right. What I'm gonna do is I know Saturdays when is the holiday? When is the holiday?
The 20th, that's our Monday. I think that is
Yeah,
on Monday.
I know we're gonna miss a Monday. The heroes. Rockstone.
Sir, but on Tuesday we have class with you.
It's Tuesday, we have class. Yeah. All right. So guess what happened now? I'm gonna put a little revision session in place for this Saturday, tentatively for this Saturday. And I'm saying tentatively because I don't know. I need to check to see what is possibly coming up for that. So tentatively, Brit, you and I will be in link up for that. Think you have to worry about the links, the Zoom link. Once it is that I'm going to do the stuff, I will go ahead and I'll send Britley the Zoom credential. I'm gonna come on. It don't have to be a long thing, you know. It can do an hour and a half, 2 hours. Bearing in mind that I would be teaching, or I would have taught in the morning, into afternoon. And then now we are going to, and at which point, I'm going to give you, all right, I have to give you some coursework pieces some graded classwork this week. So by Thursday of this week, I'm just write that down. By Thursday, I'm going to give you something. So if I give you something tonight or tomorrow, I'll expect it for Thursday. It's not going to be a whole heap of questions, 1 or 2 questions on something. So that is going to be that. And then let us see how Saturday works out. And committee pass papers, and then we can take it from there. How does that sound?
Sir, what are you saying? We have class Saturday?
Yeah, we're gonna have like a tutorial
That
session.
sounds okay, sir.
Yeah, man, but it's going to be in the afternoon. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I will let you know the time, because I'm going to have a business calculus at 9 o'clock until early afternoon. So, if I need to run to the supermarket or support, I will have to factor all of that in. So it will be in the evening, maybe about evening, maybe 4 or 5 o'clock. That's all right. We don't know, or have a class.
Anything.
It's okay.
All right, yeah, man. So
Well,
run
at
about that
work,
time.
but guess
No
I
man,
will just take time out.
no man, go on to work, man. You have to find the money for pay your school fee. So no stop, go on to work. We'll see how we can work around that. Go on to work, man. And just carry earpiece, and then do what you need to
Yeah,
do.
man, that's what I said.
Yeah, good. All right, guys. Big up
Alright.
on yourself. You
You
did well
say
tonight.
you said
Sir,
course.
No,
remember me.
Malik, Malik, I need to talk to you. All right, Malik,
Monique or Monique?
no, man, Monique. No, I deal with you already, no, Monique,
Oh,
because we need
all
to.
right.
We're going to sort out that stuff. Malik, were you the one who wanted to say something to me again?
Priscilla. Sir, why you keep
Priscilla.
forgetting me?
Ah, Jesus. Yeah, Priscilla. Jeez, Priscilla. What is it now, Pris?
We can just
Sir, I want
repeat
to
for
speak
the
to you alone.
You want to speak to me alone? All right, no
Yes.
problem. Brit, where's the Brit?
coursework. Repeat what you said for the coursework.
I was sending off 2 pieces for you this week. It's not coursework, it's the classwork, graded classwork.
Okay.
You hear me? Yeah, graded classwork. All right.
Oh, good.
All right. On a good one. All right. On can log off. So I can speak to Miss Pris. We'll go to we catch up on Tuesday, on Thursday.
Mm-hmm. But sir, if you want it by Thursday, how are we going to get it?
I'm in a touch base with you. I will send it off to you. Yeah, man.
Okay. Thank you.
We'll think. Bless up. All right. I'm just waiting for the others to jump off. And this is 548-704. 548-704. 548-704.
Sorry, now I have to sit down and wait. Just put me in the
No, that's what I'm doing. I'm creating
in the something.
yeah. Um creating the So who is it? Who else is here? Oh, just me and you. Okay. I don't want I don't want to talk here, because when I send out the stuff, it is when I come
Okay.
in.
Okay.
Yeah, so um
Sir. Do you
Yeah,
have a number you could give me instead?
sure, but
You
come
can
in.
ask anybody about me at school, you know. You can go to Miss Buckland and talk. I will not disturb you otherwise.
All right, drop it.
I need to
All right, send me the put the number in the chat privately. Send it to me privately because I don't want it to. Send the number to me privately and I touch base with you. Let me know when it's in it. All right, I've seen it.
Yeah, it is sent.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm just trying to. All right. Soon call you here.
All right, sir.
Cool. Take care.
Mm-hmm.